how's it going, everyone? Make a video here. Couldn't find one. This is my wife's 2018 GLA Mercedes-Benz 250, and today I installed a illuminated star. They're on the 2019, 2020 models, and hopefully this helps somebody do a little quicker than I could do it, because it took me a while. It's a little different than the ones that I was watching. I watched tons and tons of videos, read all the forums, can't find it, so hopefully this will speed track somebody. Start real quick. All it does, pop in, pop out. It's just twins, the old one. Pops in, pops out. It's like that. Note 2, your new one might do this. Your factory one does that. So no, you have a good star. I almost wrote a bad letter to a guy claiming it was cheap. Nope. Factory does that. So all it is, 5 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Torques, real easy, in and out. This has a connector in here. I don't know if I can pull it out. It's already in. It's just a wire. It just runs in, connects. Run it up. Drop it in. Drop it through here. Now, I'll explain to you a little bit different option, but this is how I'm going to do it now. Star wasn't that expensive, so if I have to go back, it's not that bad. Ran it down into, let's see if I get this on, down in here. See if you can see that. This is just a headlight harness. That's all it is. You don't have to pull anything off. Just take that off. Oh, side note, if you're gonna take that off, you pry behind. Let's see if I can get a more straighter view. Behind here. Just take a screwdriver, pry up, and that'll go. It'll come pop right off. So it's just a power and a ground on your new star, the illuminated one. So I did to the chassis. Ground, split it down to power. So this is where I couldn't find anything. So hopefully you guys can see this well enough. If not, at least I can tell you. In here, there is no gray and white power. Originally, I tapped into a black and white one. Just took a shot at it. You can see that little blue one on the right not connected, but that's the high beam. Do not tap into that one unless you want it to be on only when your high beam is on. So then all you got to, one you want is, let's see if I get you better on this side. That solid yellow. That's what you're looking for. Brown is ground, striped with white. It's high beams, and if you want it to stay on all the time, it's gonna be, it's a blue. You'll see it, but she wanted to come on with the headlights, so that's what this is tapped into. That's all it is. Yeah, it's not gonna pick up, but that connector on the side over here, that guy, it's just to the yellow, and that's it. It'll come on with your headlights. So I'll show you real quick. This is what I'm talking about. Pop it in. This one just spins in, just like the old one. Put it in right now. Turn it on. Alright. Go on. Got lights on. Stars on. Like I said, this just screws back in. Pop it in. Pop that guy right there. And that's it. I'll try to get a video at night. See it better. Alright, here's the night. Told you. It's about dusk. Looks good. Looks like the whole thing's lit up, but it's the star. Outside of these guys, I think they're cool. I think they're cool. Alright. Hope this helps someone.